Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video today to solve a problem in our Alliance Avenue 32 RLS, and I'll tell you what that is when we come back. Alright, so today I wanted to just share a really quick video. It's a really simple fix, and what we're having a problem with, as you can see, I'm in the bathroom right now of the 32 RLS, and right above me is the fan. Okay, and so you turn this fan on and the fan is supposed to blow the air outside of the rig. Okay, unfortunately, when you pull this down, I'll show you in the video, is you actually have a space up there that blows into the roof section of your rig, and guess where the smell goes? Into the rest of your rig. So I'll show you a little quick video how I fix that. And I actually recorded this video a little while back. I got so excited when I pulled the fan down that I didn't actually get any video or photos of what it looked like before the actual repair, so you'll see that in the video. All right, here we go. Okay, so I'm in the Avenue 32 RLS, and what I noticed was every time you turn the fan on, this fan in the bathroom, that you get a lot of smell, let's put it this way, into the regular living area of the unit. So when I took this off, sorry I didn't do it before, but from here to here is all wide open, and there's just insulation behind here. So basically it's just all this air coming out of this fan is going to go right into the coach. It makes no sense at all. So I'm taking the 4-inch tape that I have here. That's about 3-inch, I guess. Gorilla tape, and just filling that gap all the way around nice and neatly. And I'm actually going around the edge, going around this edge here and filling it all in. So if anybody's having that same problem and smelling it into the coach, this is how to fix it. At least we hope anyway. We're gonna try it. All right, I'm almost done. I'll let you know how it comes out. Oh, and one more thing. That little light that people see is just on this little panel up here. I don't think it really means anything. It just means that the unit is powered. And that's it. All right, so I just wanted to let everybody know that this repair actually worked great. I've had no problems with smell in the RV when you turn the fan on. And also, I did not mention in the video, but the fan, actually the vent does obviously have a hood outside. There's an access hood outside on the roof where the air actually does go out. It wasn't designed to just blow air inside the roof of your RV. So if anyone's wondering that, it does have a vent on the roof. All right, I really hope you enjoyed this video. All right, so if you liked the video you saw today,
Give us a thumbs up.
give us a thumbs up, yes, and please subscribe to the channel. So we do videos like lifestyle videos and repair videos and review videos we're going to be doing, and for products and different things like that. So,
And actually, for that,
we have
a new website.
a new website called romersrvgear.com. Please check out that website. You can go on there. I do articles. Sometimes I'll have a video in there too that we did in the article. And there'll be clickable links that you can actually buy the products from the people that we bought from. It actually helps us out. It doesn't cost you any more money. Matter of fact, you save money sometimes by clicking on those links. And yeah, that would be really great if you could check that out for us.
And the last thing is click the bell to get notifications. So when we have more videos, that come out, you'll get notified.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.
You're funny.
Call it a day and celebrate. Let's